Hello, 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 and welcome back to another DIY. My name is Sandrine. Hi. So in today's video, we are going to be making the second half of my carnival outfits. So it's going to be the high waist swimsuit bottoms. So everything from this haul I got from Amazon. I got the appliques. I think they're like $6. I know I got one of them for like $2, but basically they were really cheap, and this DIY is so easy that it's amazing. So I was inspired by my favorite Instagrammer. I know I'm gonna be saying her name wrong, so I don't even want to try because I've been trying like for a good minute now and I keep saying her name wrong. So that's her Instagram. So I commented underneath the picture that I just showed you guys with her in the outfit, and I asked her if she would mind if I recreated this look, and she didn't have a problem with it. So that's why we're here. So we're gonna be starting this video off. So these are the high-waisted bottoms. They were super cute. I think I got these in a small. They were meant to be in a medium because I wanted it to be a little bit big, but whatever. So all these appliques, obviously they're from Amazon. Really sweet. Why did I say sweet? But they're really easy. You can either glue them on or sew them on, because obviously in the back it has this white lining that you can just go through, just like this one. So with the appliques, I almost got everyone right that she was wearing, but the only one I got right was the little tiny one that I just showed you guys. So that's what I'm going to be using. I got this big one because I realized that in the center she had a circle one. So I wanted it to be kind of similar, but I couldn't find the exact one. But this one, it was good. I actually pretty like how everything turned out. So I'm just placing them wherever I want to place them. Not wherever, but I'm trying to like match it up as I see it in the picture. So yeah, but you can do whatever you want. So after I finish placing them and I see, yeah, that's a good idea of where I want everything to be. I actually got this crystal set from Amazon as well. It was $14. So you can either glue them on or sew them on, because the crystal has some little circles where you can just use your needle and thread and just go through it. But I decided not to do that and just use my E60 glue and leave everything overnight for it to dry. But in the morning when I was checking up on it, it still wasn't dry, so I just let it stay for like 2 days. So basically take 2 days for it to dry. I guess because the appliques are really big. Not really sure, but I'm just spreading the E60 glue all over it, making sure that I get everything, because I don't want it to be lifting up on the sides as soon as I start wearing it. So that's what you guys see right here. Glue. I told you guys this DIY was going to be really easy and simple. Yeah. So after I finished gluing everything on and everything is even up and all that. So I'm just checking to make sure if it kind of looks similar. So that's what I'm doing right here. So it really is not that different. It's just different appliques, that's it. So now I'm just going to be using these big appliques that I have and just gluing them on. She had a lot on the bottom, so that's why I'm going to be using a lot of crystals. Just glue it all over the place so that you can kind of fill up all the space, but not too much because I want the swimsuit color to be showing. So yeah. So since I already filled up the swimsuit with a lot of big crystals, I want to start applying some really small ones, these tiny ones right here. So I got this set from Walmart, I think for like $7. It's called the Hot Fix Applicate. You're supposed to be able to put on gems and rhinestones quick and easily. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. You just need to put it on top of the gem. Just leave it on there, just like what I'm showing you guys right here. Just leave it on there for like 30 seconds, and then you should be good. It gets hot, so just be careful because I burned myself several times while doing this. But the last step is just filling this up as much as you possibly can with the smaller appliques, or you can just add on more big ones, but I wanted mine to resemble as much as possible, so that's why I'm doing this step.